In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on how to fix Telegram not sending code. So if this is something that you're currently struggling with right now, well basically I had the exact same problem before, and I'm going to explain to you and show you step by step how I myself was able to fix this issue quite fast actually. Then what you're going to do firstly is to basically just close your Telegram app, and instead we're going to go into our settings app. So open up your settings app in here as you can see, and now we're just going to scroll down and then click on general. So click on general and we should now be taken to this page right here, which is perfect. So what you're going to do on this page right here, scroll down, click on storage as you can see. So just click on storage. It's just going to load here. It might take a couple of seconds just so you know. So it keeps loading here from me, but I think it's going to be finished now. Oh, perfect. As you can see, it's now finished. So what you're going to do in here is to just scroll down, and then you're going to find Telegram in here basically. So just keep scrolling down until you can see the Telegram app in here. And perfectly, as you can see, I have it in here. So what you're going to do in here is to just click on upload app, then once again click on upload app in here as you can see. So I did the exact same thing myself, and then I clicked on the blue button here once again, and then waited it to auto update to the latest version basically, because I think that one of the main reason why we're not able to get actually a code on our Telegram app, or like Telegram is not sending us a code, is because we're currently not like having the latest update on our Telegram app. So it's kind of like a bug that it's not sending the code, and we need to auto update for it to actually work. So try again. If it's still not working, well then what you can also try is to just swipe your phone like this, enable your airplane mode, and then just disable it real quick, because what will happen then is that you will now actually get a better connection with your phone than what you had before. And that might also be the problem if you're currently in an area where the connection is quite bad and you're not getting a code. Well, you can just do like this and it will auto connect and give you a little bit better connection than before. So that is also one way that you can actually fix this issue.